Hello guys, if you got a Toyota Prius from 2006, 2008 and the car doesn't want to start, because the battery from the back is no good, so you have to replace it. So you have to disconnect there so the computer the car can reset, like the computer and stuff like that. You have to disconnect the plug from the battery from over there. Don't forget, be careful with this one, just disconnect it. Be careful. That's the only thing. Just be careful with the big one. So right now we just going to replace it with an older one, with a new one. So yeah, guys. So after you done that, just wait for the don't before you connect everything back. Just wait like 30 minutes or 10 minutes. It's like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You can wait more if you want to, but the thing is like to 10 minutes. Just wait before connecting everything back. So after that, you connect everything back. Just be careful, don't break nothing. Connect it unique and gentle. Just don't break nothing. But after that, when you put everything back together, unique and nice, start the car and let it run for 30 minutes, guys. And that's it, guys. Ready to go. I'm out.